Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert footer only on last page in Microsoft Word. So I will show you step by step. It's very easy. First, you can go to your second to last page. In my case, I have 4 pages, so I can go to my third page, which is page number 3. If you have 100 pages, you can go to your page number 99 and so on. So yeah, and then you can place cursor at the end of the page like this, and then you can go to layout and then click bricks here, and then you can click next page. After that, you can go to your last page and then go to the footer. You can click the footer, double tap, double click, and then as you can see, there is link to previews. You have to turn it off. So this is turn on, so I have to turn it off by click it, and then you can type your footer here, and yeah, that's it.